How to fix ChatGPT not recognizing images uploads. To fix ChatGPT not recognizing image uploads, you can start by checking the permission on your device settings. So what you have to do is go to the settings and scroll down to the bottom, tap apps. Now find Chat from the list and make sure that Chat has full access to your phone's photos and storage in your device settings. Now the next what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Chat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device and upload the app on your iOS. On your iOS device, go to settings, then tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Now find ChatGPT from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar and then search for ChatGPT. Then tap upload app, and then to confirm tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you will see a reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the ChatGPT app and then reinstall it from there. This helps to eliminate the corrupted files. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.